morning, how you doing? It is a lovely day here during the beginning of May. Now, normally I post motorcycle content, truck content, and eventually I'll be doing drone content. But for now, I will be doing mechanicking content. Disclaimer, I am not a professional mechanic. I don't play one on television. I am just working on stuff in my own home. Most of the mechanics you see on YouTube and other places all have an enclosed area. Some don't. Well, I'm going to be one of those that doesn't. Now, I do have a pop-up, tent or whatever you want to call it, that I can set up above my work area, and I will be doing so when I'm working later this month. And a lot of people are going to say I'm doing a parts cannon on my vehicles. I have multiple vehicles I need to work on this year. It's not so much a parts cannon as it is probably be called delayed maintenance items. You know, you got to have money in order to fix things. So right now I am collecting parts to go on my vehicles. I'll be working on the car I'm currently driving, which is a 2003 Chevy Trailblazer with the inline 6 4.2 liter. Now, it is a four-wheel drive vehicle, but my front differential, due to lack of maintenance on my part, is huffed. The output shaft kind of wobbles around like a I don't have a term to describe it, but the bearings are huffed. So currently I have removed the front drive shaft going from the transfer case to the front differential. I have a used front differential on order. It should be here in the next couple of days. I'm not sure if I'm going to attempt to remove and replace, or if I will actually take it to the shop. It appears to be rather convoluted to get it out and back in. But because I will be doing my intake manifold, my valve cover gasket, I will probably unbutton the top of the motor area, pull the differential, put the new differential in, and then button up the top of the motor. Yeah, it's going to be fun. I'm so looking forward to this. Not. But in these times of increased fuel prices, I am trying to maximize my fuel economy on a vehicle that's, quite frankly, 23 and a half years old at this point, with 233,000 miles on it. And granted, when I bought it, it had 189,000 miles. So We're going to try to get as much use out of this vehicle as possible. And then we will start the deferred maintenance on my 2005 Chevy Suburban with the 5.3 liter V8. But that's for another time. Thank you for joining me this fine, lovely, bright morning on my way to work. And I will go ahead and get this finished and uploaded. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.